Hello, this is an introduction to the ROS operating system, the robot operating system, and this is a brief introduction to show you what you're going to need for a basic robotic system and how to install that in Ubuntu. So Ubuntu is a version of Linux, and this particular system likes that. So we're going to show you how to add all the tools in a series of videos. Now, if you don't want to add the tools yourself, you can go to the instructor and they will give you either a virtual machine. The things I'm going to show you today are on a virtual machine, or they're going to give you an image for the Raspberry Pi 4 so that you can have all of this already downloaded and ready to go, including a basic application. So again, this series of videos is just about how to create your own system if you'd like to do that, or we can do that by having an image that's already been created. So first let's talk about what we're going to need. So we're going to need a base operating system to put all this on. The Ubuntu 22.04 is the current version that is the most stable, that will handle our robot operating system. We're going to download the ROS2. The robot operating system is a open source operating system that a lot of universities and other research facilities use. There's a new version called ROS2. It's been out for a while now, a few years, and it adds some upgrades to the basic robot operating system. We're going to use version called Humble. That's the current stable version of that. Now, some basic capabilities we're going to want for our robot. We're going to want some sort of voice recognition, so we're going to download and install a tool called Bosk. We're going to want some basic vision library capabilities, so we're going to include a vision library called OpenCV. We're also going to want our robot to move, and we're going to do that in one of two ways. I'll show you how to create or download and install the library for smart servo support. So Dynamixels are kind of the state-of-the-art smart servos, and there's a library in ROS for that. We'll show you how to install it, but also how to configure those servos. And then if you want more of a robot car, our R2D2s, there we use a DC motor controller, and we use an Arduino that's going to access that using the L298M motor driver. So these are the basic components we're going to show you. In each video we're going to talk about a different one, how to install it into our version, and then later we'll start working with each one of these and actually make our robot do very specific things.